So, I'm going to start by reading you a story. And all that I'd like you to do right now is listen. Eating grapes. On Monday, Angela ate some grapes. On Tuesday, she was hungrier and ate 6 more grapes than she ate on Monday. Each day that week, she ate 6 more grapes than the day before. After she had eaten her grapes on Friday, she had eaten 100 grapes in all. What'd you hear? One thing.
She had them right before she ate the 6 grapes every year the next day. She ate 6 grapes. She had 6 grapes each day. She ate 100 grapes in all. That's what I was going to say.
Go ahead and say it.
She ate 100 grapes in all.
Thank you.
She ate 100 grapes in all.
Anything else? Yes.
Before she ate the 6 grapes, she ate more.
Okay.
She ate 6 more grapes than she did the other day. Each day.
Okay, think about what you told me if I called on you, or think about what you heard your classmates say. And I'm going to read the story again. Think about if what they heard or what you heard at first matches what I read, or if you want to change. Eating grapes. On Monday, Angela ate some grapes. On Tuesday, she was hungrier and ate 6 more grapes than she ate on Monday. Each day that week, she ate 6 more grapes than the day before. After she had eaten her grapes on Friday, she had eaten 100 grapes in all. One thing.
She ate some grapes on Monday.
One thing.
We don't know how many grapes she ate on Monday. She ate 6 more grapes than Monday. Every day she'll eat 6 more grapes. On Tuesday she got hungry and hungry. More grapes than she had on Monday.
Your turn.
She kept adding on the grapes each day.
Thank you.
6 pounds.
Okay. So I'm going to pass out papers that look like this. I think there's one thing you'll notice is that this isn't a problem because there isn't a question. But we're going to divide the paper in half, and you're going to use this to write on. And we're going to do something called I notice, I wonder.
Yes, you can. Dude, I wrote 72. But I wonder, what made her so happy that she had to eat so many grapes. It's fun.
How many more in all these?
If you know how to do it,
How do you know? To go from 90 to... This is how many she ate on Monday. I mean, you represented it as 6 right now, so we know that because we only ended up with 90. So this is the part that has to change. But I think if you look at your picture, you'll be able to figure out how many it'll change. Whatever you change here, that has to change, that has to change, that has to change. These. That shows the Monday part.
So I could put 6 right here.
But if you do, that's Monday's grapes. So if you put 6 more here, you have to put 6 more here, 6 more here, 6 more here, 6 more there. Is that going to be going from 90 total up to 100? Way over. So think about what you can put here that then you repeat each of these times so that you get how many more? 100 total, but how many more than what you have right here? Yeah. If I want to get 10 total more, how many will I put in here? So if I put 10 in here, I have to put 10 in here and 10 in here and 10 in here and 10 in here. Way over. No, try it. Think about it. 5 more, 5 more, 5 more, 5 more, 5 more. How many is that total for? 15, 20, 25. But what's your goal? How many more? 10 more. So how are you going to get 10? Figure it out.
So how many, like, say we put like 2 in here, we have to pick from all of them.
How many is that?
Miss Faulkner, it says as the trust. Try.
So we need someone to tell us what you're doing. One is drawing and one is explaining.
I'll explain.
So what did she do first?
She drew the picture of how many she eats.
So how did you decide how many circles or grapes to draw for the him standing for Monday?
Because it said, wait, how do we do it? How do we come up with 6? Because the paper said she added 6 more.
So you pick 6 as a starting point, just like a guess?
Mm-hmm.
A reasonable guess, because maybe...
Because at first we thought, when it said that she had some grapes on Monday, we thought it was 4, and that's what she was like, but then that's when it said she added 6 more.
Okay.
So that's
And now, how are you knowing how many more grapes to add for each day?
Because at first we started at 6, but then that's when it said that she kept adding 6 more.
So maybe once she finishes, or maybe you could pick up chops. Could you circle those first 6 for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, like you had on your paper? Or are you gonna make her do it?
I'll do it.
Okay.
There's more chalk in that container, I think. And there's colored chalk if you want to use it, that would help.
That would be fun. Okay. So as she's adding in those details, does anyone in the class have a question for them? Does it make sense what they started to do?
Yes.
You think they guessed the right number?
Yes.
I hear some no's and I hear some yeses.
You want to come?
So can you now explain what the boxed off grapes means? What's that show?
What did the boxes show?
Uh-huh.
The boxes show the first 6 that she ate.
Okay. Now what happened?
Then we add the 6 other ones.
What are you doing now?
When it said, when it said that she added 6 more grapes.
We're not finished. You need to go now. Okay, alright. We're not done.
So how did you do, oh, we have a question here.
Do you know this equals 100?
So when you counted that, did it equal 100?
Mm-hmm.
It did?
No.
What did it equal?
It equals 90.
And we did that just by counting the grapes, right?
Mm-hmm.
And actually we counted in groups of 6s, but
And that's when we found out that we needed 10 more
why?
because 90 plus 10 equals 100. So